Hello and welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel, and press that notification button so you can be notified when I drop new videos. So now the first thing that I am going to do is just braid her hair down. And then after me braiding it down, I am going to put the stocking cap on. I did use the boho clear gel to brush her edges back. And I don't think I recorded me doing this, but please make sure you oil your client's scalp. So I'm just going to let you all continue to watch the video. I don't want to talk too much. I don't really like doing voiceovers. I'm like, but I think the audience like voiceovers more. So let me know if y'all like voiceovers more or just music playing with me doing what I do.
You know you ain't fixing this.
And with this glue protectant, you do want to apply it like all over the head from edge to back of the nape. You want to apply it all over. You want to drench it in this protectant because this will allow the glue to not seep through the cap to get on the hair. And then I do use extra holding spray to spray on top of the glue protectant. And I did send my client under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And she was dry pretty quick because we blow dry her hair first in the beginning. So if you want to cut some time, you can do exactly what I did. When putting the makeup on the cap to match your client's skin complexion, you do want to make sure you get it all the way to the edge of the stocking cap that you cut off. That way you don't see the stocking cap underneath the lace of the closure when you do a part.
You know you ain't fixing this.
And altogether I did apply 3 layers of glue.
You know you ain't fixing this.
Okay, now with these baby hairs are so tedious. To me, the baby hairs are the hardest thing out of a whole process of a closure or a frontal. Now I do feel it is easier to do baby hairs with the mixture of like gorilla snot and Nairobi foam. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for staying around. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the notification bell.